Hello, everyone. So now let's go through the 7th homework on lists and files. So if you have not done the homework yet, please don't watch this video yet and do the homework, as doing the homework and practice is the best way to learn. So please at least try to attempt it. But if you already finished it, let's go through it right now. So in the comments, explain what lists are. You can do it in the comments, or you can just write it down on paper. So basically what lists are is like, it's like multiple variables get into one container. And in that container contains brackets where you can include those and you can put it in. So it's like a data structure that handles all that. And again, lists are so useful in everywhere, like usernames, passwords. You can have a list of items. You can have a list of grocery items, like those kind of stuff. Super useful. What are files? What are files? Files are objects inside of your computer that store certain information. And from that, you can access information, you can delete information, you can add information. Pretty cool. So now, third, let's build a program that asks the user whether they would like to append, insert, or index. So let's get into it right now. So if you haven't finished the code, please finish that, but let's get into it. So this is what I've done. Again, there are many different ways for you to do this. You can kind of take some code from your calculator project if you hopefully done that, which you should have. You're gonna take code from there and you're gonna make it like 5 times easier. So that's kind of what I did. So I did print options exactly like the calculator object. So add, insert, delete, and which operator would you like to use. So from there, this is the 3 lines that actually run. So we have a list with empty, and then we have option equal to print options. That means we print all of this, and we return the operator that they'll like to use. Operation you would like to use. So from there, if they pick option 1, option will equal to 1, and then you pass in option and list. So do update is this function right here. So do update, you pass in I don't need total. So here, if option is equal to 1, you just I made like 3 functions here. You can pass in the list, and you can give me the word and you can append it. Insert, you give me an index and a word, and then you can append, and then you can insert it there. Or you can also delete one. So you give me an index and then you pop it out. Pretty self-explanatory. And then from here, if option is equal to 1, you call this option equal to 2, you call this option equal to 3, you call this. And after one of these have been run, you say list is correctly updated, and the list runs. So let's try it. So which operator would you like to use? I'd like to use 1. Give me a word, hello. So the list is correctly updated, and you see the list has hello in it. Before it was nothing in it, now it has hello. That's basically how it works. Cool. So if there's no questions on this, please be sure to let me know via email or via the tutoring sessions. I'm more than happy to help. But other than that, this is basically homework. We already kind of did this kind of stuff before, so it doesn't need too much more explanation. It's just more practice. If you keep on practicing functions over and over and over again, we can definitely get it right. So that's basically the main goal of this, is we include the new topic with already existing topics, and with the existing topics and the new topics, we can build our knowledge on both of them throughout the course. So hopefully that was pretty doable. And please let me know if you have any questions. But other than that, I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.